All right, so after we finished preparing the unit trays, we're able to clean the specimens off now. And this is after it's been sorted out of the actual collection. Then we sort of take a set of three, have our unit tray here, a piece of tin foil, and what we use are these little post-it small sticky notes. And this is just to associate the tray with the actual, the tray, the specimens with the actual slides, which contain all the, the necessary information to keep them associated with the UCMP number, which is a 6-digit number. But also, this is great because each set of three has its own individual color, and then we rotate the colors over. But so a set of three next to another set of three will be associated with a different color, and that mitigates us mixing up this again, and it becomes a really beautiful sort of color pattern that we have. And you can see how it's less likely you're going to mix up one set of three with another set of three. This is particularly important because all the information relating to what specimen is always going to be contained within this set of three. So I'll give you an example. We're working with these three, so right now the next number we're going to be working with is 436. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 437, or 436. $437. And 438. And inside the unit tray itself, we're going to put one more that says 436 through 438. And with the correct orientation that we know based on the positioning of this small unit tray and this bottom left mark that we've placed in here, we know positively that this is the correct orientation. So because the colors are coordinated, and also, we're going to be working with these in stages. So generally, what's going to be, embedding and the specimen trays that are on the side, they're going to be in the general vicinity. So say if, I have bad handwriting. Say if you couldn't read what I wrote on here, based off of the color and also the other numbers that are contained within the set, even if you do lose track, theoretically you could infer which number is which. And then, of course, you could go back inside the system and look at what the photograph of the specimen looks, and sort of use that to rematch it back to its UCMP number, should it get lost. We haven't done that yet, so this system has worked out really great for that. But this is sort of just another foolproof, measure that we've implemented just to make it a little bit easier to work with. Working with it in a set of three really simplifies it down instead of working with a mass, say, of all this color.